Okay, today is the day. We're gonna do the drawing for my 200 subscriber giveaway that we've been doing for the last week and a half, and we're gonna give away this DeWALT drill. We're gonna do it through using a comment picker here online, and I'll show that here in a minute. But real quick, again, 200 subscribers, it's a big deal for my channel. It's a milestone that I've been trying to get to, and we got to that, and I wanna thank you guys by subscribing and supporting my channel, and lots of great questions and comments, and I wanna give away a DeWALT drill to help with that. Real quick, I've had so much fun with this contest that I want to do another one. The feedback I've gotten from you guys has been fantastic. I'd like to do one for 500 subscribers, and as the time of this video, making this video, we're a little over halfway there, which is great. We'll get there in no time. I got a couple ideas of maybe what I want to do for the giveaway, but I'm actually thinking, what would you guys like to see for the contest prize? And I'm thinking the way to do that is, my channel is small enough that I'm fortunate I can see all the comments that you guys leave, a lot of great questions. So any one of my videos that you guys like, throw up a suggestion of what you think the 500 subscriber video contest should be for. And then we'll take a look at that and see if we can put something together for the 500 subscribers. So how we're gonna do this is, I'm gonna use this comment picker website, and what it allows me to do is take the URL from the video. In fact, I'll show you, let's do that right now. So if we click up here, this is the video, and let's see if we can refresh this and update the comments. 45 comments as the time of me making this, so which is fantastic. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this address, we're going to copy it, I don't want that, and we're going to paste it here on this comment picker website. So if we put it in here, YouTube video URL, we paste that in there, and that 4PGE, that's the last four of, you can tell it's the same one. Okay, so we got that in there. Now we want to, let's see, we want to filter duplicate users. I don't think anybody commented twice, and I don't think there were any replies, but we'll go ahead and include any replies that there were. We don't need to filter any comments based on a specific text. We don't need to include or blacklist any users, and we don't have any extras. So what we're going to want to do now is we're going to get YouTube comments. So we click that button. Okay, 44 unique comments they found. So now we come down here and start the raffle and pick a random winner. So as soon as I click that button, it's going to start loading up those comments, and it'll go through them, and then it'll just stop at one user, and that's the one that that's the one we're going to pick. That's going to be the winner. Okay, so the part we wait for, here we go. Let's click the button. The winner is Jeff the Giraffe. All right, congratulations. His comment was, "Thank you, Andy, for all you've given to the community with your tutorials. Best wishes on growing the channel further, and hopefully I win the drill." Well, you did. And look, so the time I did this, February 12th, 2:58 p.m. is when I'm doing this, and I'm going to put the video up as soon as I can get this all put together, and I'll load it up. So what I'm going to do, Jeff the Giraffe, we'll take this video up, put this up online, and I'll reply to your comment in the original drawing, the original contest video. So hopefully you'll see that if you don't get a chance to see this video. Get a hold of me. My email is on my YouTube page. So get a hold of me. Let me know how you want to do this, and I'll get this shipped out to you as soon as possible, and then we'll go from there. If I don't hear from you, I'm going to give you 2 weeks. 2 weeks from right now. So 3 p.m. 2 weeks from today would be. I think that's plenty of time to get a hold of me, and we'll get this shipped to you. If I don't hear from you, apologize. I don't know if maybe you won't see this video or whatnot, but I'm not gonna spend 6 months chasing you down trying to get this to you. We're trying to do everything we can here to keep this transparent, and so get a hold of me, we'll get it to you. If not, maybe I'll include it, I don't know, in the 500 subscriber video with something else. I'm hoping that you'll get a hold of me so we can get this to you. All right, so that should take care of that. Again, thank you guys so much for helping me reach this milestone. And before you know it, we're going to be at the 500 mark, and we'll do another giveaway. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.